Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo Fancy. I'm not kidding you this time, okay? It's good. It's real good. Get a pen and paper because you want to take some notes, okay? If you're a recollection girl, you might want to get ready to go to the store. If you're not, you might want to get ready to go to the store, okay? I got it for you here and I'll be back throughout the video. Enjoy. Okay, here we are. Recollection 21-22 planners. We got a ton to see, plus we got new 2021 sticker books by Recollection coming later on down the road, but you're going to like what you see. Recollection is doing something here. They're doing something, and I think we all need to be on notice. Tell me, are you that Recollection girl or are you another planner girl? You just came over here to check out what's going on. Maybe you got, looking for some options. Leave a comment below. If you're liking this video, please hit that thumbs up. Okay, let me yo-yo set the table for you, okay? Recollection, first of all, they come in two different layouts, vertical, horizontal. They come in spiral. This year, they got some double spiral planners. You with me? Okay, now let me just tell you, can't even talk about the covers. You'll see the covers when we get into the video, okay? But let me just tell you, be on notice. Recollection came to play this year, and they ain't, just watch. Now here's a new one. This one starts in June. Most of them start in July, but this one starts in June. The thing I would tell you about this, first of all, this is one of those double spirals. This is new to the family, okay? This is new to the Recollection Planner family. Take notice. This is day on a page. Normally they only do vertical and horizontal. This is a day on a page. This is the only one I saw like this. But there might be more in there. If you're looking, check this out when you go up in the Michaels. Check out the Recollection Planners if you're looking for. This would be a great business planner right here. That's my thought right there. Now this little beauty right here, I love the colors on this, okay? It's got that cover I was telling you about. The covers are a little harder. It's not like the plastic one. I'm telling you, they got like 4 or 5 different texture covers up in here this year. They're trying to change the game. Recollection, I see you, okay? I see you. Now here is a home planner. It is in a big size spiral. It comes with stickers because that's how Recollection does it. Okay, I love that part about Recollections. In fact, they include starter stickers. But in this book, you got a lot of stickers. Okay, look at these sides of these stickers. These are not like those little stickers on the side there. Those are like, these boxes are big ones, almost the size of like a dashboard sticker. These right here, look at them, stickers. These included in here. Get that 20% off. Let's just say this one might be one of the more expensive ones. I think maybe the big might be 32 and the classics are like 29. Okay, so 20% off of that, I can work with that. This I can work with. At these prices, look at the home projects. This is a planner. If you're looking for a home household planner, this is a must at the Recollection Planner. Look at these. Look at this. It's got a double pocket. It's got a double pocket. It comes with pockets already included. Stickers, pockets, planner. There you go. Can you say suede? A suede cover. Really, Recollection? Stop it. Stop it. Has anybody seen another suede cover planner? I have not. Did you expect this? Have you seen this? Never. This one was a total stop. I can't even talk about it. Keep watching the video, child. Okay, Recollection, they, like I said, they came to play, okay? But now they got pads. They got these little desk calendars that you can fold out, you know, the thin ones. They got those. They got so many options up here this year. You need to go to Michael's, go to the Recollection aisle and check these out. I'm just trying to give you a lay of the land so when you get there, you know what you're looking for. Let me know if there's anything you're looking for, anything you got your eye on. Leave a comment below. Okay, she's here, okay? I'm all excited. You know what I'm talking about, right? Capitol Chic Design's own planner. And with the Recollection release. Woo, girls. Okay, let's just take a moment, okay? She's vertical, more black and white, with a little bit of gold, okay? Classy, okay? If you haven't been waiting for it, I have, okay? So we're going to take a little peekaboo. Enjoy. Here we go. New Recollection sticker books for 2021. They came to play. Look at that. Farmhouse. I'm not saying. Look at that. Teacher, wellness, adulting. Celestial. They got a little bit of everything up here. I'm not kidding you. There's so much. They're seasonal. I ain't never seen a seasonal sticker book before. Not for Recollection, but I do now. I see you, Recollection. The people see you. Okay, let me set this up for you. We're going to take a little peekaboo inside. I couldn't flip it all the way over, but you get the gist of it, okay? Because they had it bound on the side. Isn't it kind of weird? They bind their sticker books on the side, but then Happy Planner bind their planners on the inside so you can't get into them. What's up with that? If you're enjoying this video, please hit that thumbs up, and also let me know, are you impressed? Are you impressed by this Recollection release? Because I'll be honest with you, I am. I very much am. Let me tell you, the girl that works up in here, she's not a planner girl, okay? But she one of our peoples. I could tell she one of our peoples. Because she was over here helping me out, showing me the new planners, this, that. Oh, here's one right here. These are my kind of people at this, Michaels. Okay, these are my people. I was thinking about doing a video comparing the Happy Planner sticker books to the Recollection. If that's something you're interested in, leave a comment below. Now this Celestial sticker book, this is a superstar. And it might be because it's got blue in it, and blue's my favorite color, but this blue and gold, whew, even with the rose gold, that's pretty. That's really pretty, okay? This to me is a standout sticker book. If you've seen one that just caught your eye, please leave a comment below. Let me know. Also, if you haven't, hit that thumbs up if you're enjoying this video. If you're still hanging out, watching the video, you know you like it, girl. So just go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Tell your friends about me. Share me with your planner group. But this sticker book right here, this is a superstar right there. Okay, let me just give you a heads up on something. When you come in here and you look for these sticker books, pay attention, because they still have the old Recollection sticker books from last year out. They were trying to sell those a few weeks ago, buy one, get two free. Now pay attention to if they're around the new planners. That's what I want you to keep your eye on. You know, the only minus about this is if they had these sticker books in a mini size. That's my thought, just my 2 cents. Okay, and the other thing that'll tell the difference between these and the old sticker books, the old sticker books from last season with Recollection, they were $19.99 a sticker book. This year, they must have caught some cents, okay? $9.99. $9.99 is the price on these new ones. Now, if you're enjoying this video, you might want to check out some of my other playlists. I've got some other Recollection videos, Happy Planner, Joann's, Michael's, Target, Walmart. Feel free to check those out. We got more to see, child. We ain't done yet, okay? Hold on a minute. Oh, I think things have changed since last year on these recollection sticker books and on the planners. They're up in their game. They are up in their game. They're coming in here. They're serious. They're priced to sell. Okay, we ain't gotta wait for a coupon. They already half the price of some of these other ones in here. I'm not naming no names, but I'm just gonna let you know somebody came to play. They look at this. They got the faith sticker books, they got the essential sticker books, they got a little bit of everything, and they ain't done. There was I want to say there was 20 new sticker books in this recollection release, so you might want to stop by Michael's and check that out. Okay, here's another new one. Never saw this one before. This is the scrubs, okay? Now we hitting right to the heart of nursing, any kind of caregiver. These stickers are here for that, okay? Let me just tell you. Recollection, Michael, y'all don't flip the script, okay? Y'all flipped it since last year. That's it. Oh, no, we ain't let nobody come in our house and take our business, okay? I see you. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo. I just wanted to give you a little peek inside the Recollection release for 2021. If you like this, please make sure you share me with your friends. Hey, don't forget now. You know I'm gonna ask you, right? Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Yo-Yo Finds. I know you thought I was gonna ask you to subscribe. Well, subscribe too. Okay, don't forget to turn on all notifications. Check out some of my other playlists, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.